Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of a squared, given that 2 to the power root 200 is equal to a to the power a. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start by simplifying this as far as possible. So we have 2 to the power root 200. Now, this is equal to 2 to the power root 100 multiplied by 2, because of course you know that 100 times 2 is equal to 200, and of course this can be broken down into 2 to the power root 100 multiplied by root 2, because since this is multiplication, we can break the square root sign apart. Now this is equal to 2 to the power 10, because the square root of 100 is equal to 10 times root 2. But then we can write 2 as root 2 squared, because the square of the square root of 2 is equal to 2. And in the exponent, we still have 10 root 2. Now, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So this is equal to 2, or rather root 2 to the power 20 root 2. But let us remember that 20 is equal to 5 times 4. So this is equal to root 2 to the power 5 times 4 root 2. And of course, you know that this can be written as root 2 to power 5 to power 4 root 2. Now let us look at this. That is root 2 to power 5. This is equal to root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Now let us multiply. Root 2 times root 2 is equal to 2. And root 2 times root 2 is equal to 2. And here we are left with root 2. Now 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And once more, we are left with root 2. So you can see that root 2 to power 5 is equal to 4 root 2. So from here we have 4 root 2 to power 4 root 2. And of course, when you compare this with that, we have that a is equal to 4 root 2. But the question asks for a squared. Therefore, a squared is equal to 4 root 2 squared. This is equal to 4 squared, which is 16, multiplied by root 2 squared, which is equal to 2. 16 times 2 is equal to 32. So that is the answer we are looking for. And with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.